credit cousins, so did you know you can earn $500 cash as a member with PSECU? Stay tuned to learn how you can get this $500 deposited to your account after this intro. So yes, being a part of PSECU, Pennsylvania State Employee Credit Union, and sharing with your friends and family can be very rewarding. PSECU offers you to invite your friends to get the same perks that you get, and you'll get $50 per person, and you can earn up to $500 by inviting 10 members. And here are the simple steps to earn up to $500 for up to 10 members. Once you are a member, go to refer.psecu.com and enter your email associated with your PSECU account to get your personal link sent to your email. Once that personal link is sent to your email, then use that personal link to share amongst your friends and family to join. And you will get $50 for each referral that becomes a PSECU member. They do not need to apply for anything or be approved for a credit card for you to earn $50. Make sure once they are approved that you refer them to my PSECU playlist down in the description below to learn how to take advantage of this credit union and get those high limit credit cards just like you. So what happens if you refer more than 10 people? Well, you can refer as many people as you like. However, you will only earn $50 for each friend up to 10 in the same calendar year. Well, how about those credit cousins that have kids and now want to refer their child with a custodial account? Well, your child must be 18 years of age to participate in the membership referral program. So just make sure if you do have a child that they're over 18. If they're not, then they cannot be eligible for the membership referral program. So what does your friend need to do in order for them to meet the referral requirements? Well, for you to earn a referral bonus, your friend must meet the PSECU member eligibility requirements, and they must use the referral link that you gave them to complete the PSECU membership application and follow the on-screen instructions when they're on the application. And once they're approved for the membership, then that's when you'll be eligible for that referral bonus. Now, when will you receive the referral money? You will receive payment of your bonus deposited into your regular share account within 60 days of your referral friend or family being approved for the PSECU membership. How can you keep track of how many referrals you have sent or have? PSECU will send you email updates showing how many completed referrals you currently have. So with that being said, I hope this video helps you answer your questions and concerns regarding the PSECU referral program and how you can earn money to either help you pay down debt, use for credit repair, invest, or just simply save. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join a private group Credit Cousins to learn more credit tips and tricks. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.